guys, we came here and make marshmallow slime with those, and then we're going to do it.
That's right. So today on King's Corner, we are going to be making marshmallow slime
With candy.
with candy. So guys, this slime is amazing.
Because we're going to have candy.
And also, this slime is edible because it's made out of marshmallows. So let's go ahead and get ready to start. So what you're going to do is, as you see over there, we had a bowl of marshmallows. Take your bowl of marshmallows, put it into the microwave. Put it in the microwave and then cook it for just a couple of seconds. But you want to make sure that you're careful or your marshmallows will explode everywhere in the microwave. So we're going to go ahead, and we already have one there. So we're going to go ahead and start mixing everything together.
Yeah.
So what you're going to need is marshmallows, oil, flour,
Candy too.
and candy. So, alright.
Let's get this baby started.
Let's get this baby started. Okay, so we are going to we've already made our marshmallows. We've already cooked them and heat them up.
Because it exploded everywhere.
And yes, it exploded everywhere.
That was cool.
So it should look like this after you microwave it.
And put candy nuts in there and blow, make the mess.
Yep. So what you're gonna do, and guys, it's very secret. Very sticky. So take your marshmallow.
Yeah, sticky. It sticks.
And what it's gonna be a little hot, but that's fine. So what you're gonna do, add some flour.
It's kind of sticky.
Yep, that's fine. Now they say use about 1/4 cup of flour and 1/2 cup of oil. But to be honest, just do it based on the texture and however feels good for you. And I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. I'm using olive oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil.
Ooh, that's cool. Like
Okay,
like
now
ocean.
are you ready? It's gonna get sticky.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys.
Sticky.
Yeah, a little sticky. So I'm just gonna try to use
Mom,
this.
take it off.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you taking it off?
So just mix it all in.
Again. Let's try again.
And then, ooh, there we go.
Oh, there we go. And someone is
So you want to get to where it's not as sticky, to where it's sticking to your clothes or your fingers. So we're gonna add a little bit more flour. Why would it stick to your feet?
Stick to your feet.
Oh my goodness. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit more oil.
And I'm going to add more. Whoa, you wait. There.
You're crazy.
No, like, you made it like over there.
It's okay.
No.
This is fun.
Yeah.
You gonna help me mix it?
Yeah.
Okay. See?
What?
Yeah, it's gonna be a little warm because we want it to be slimy. Let's add a little bit more oil.
I'm going to add it for you.
Can you do it? Don't add too much.
I'm going to.
There, good job. Thank you.
I added it.
Okay, now do you want to help mix it?
It's a hard one. I need the hard one.
You gonna use the fork? So you just want to continue mixing.
Mine, slime, dinosaurs, and they come on way, and then dragons, and then the creature kills dragons and a pony.
Okay, so that is a song from King Kuso. I want to add a little bit more flour.
Oh no, I'm going to do
Here,
it.
pat some out. Pat it out. Don't dump it all out. Just pat some out. That's good. That's good. Awesome.
It's on my
Well,
head.
that's fine. That's part of being creative. So you just want to keep mixing it. You want to, that way it's not sticking to your hands, where you are able to do what you want to do.
Whoa!
And guess what? we're gonna add candy in here.
Ooh,
So
it's
tell them.
going to get sticky when it.
So I think
It's not that hot. It's a little hot.
it's warm, right? You would say it was warm? Okay.
It's a little hot.
So I think we made it good enough. So now as you can see, it's not sticking to my hands. Here, touch it. Is it sticking to your hands now? Or is it good?
Good.
Alright,
Can I
so
play with it?
yes, of course. So I think we should add the candy next. Yeah?
And my mouth first.
So we finally got the right texture.
Yeah.
The right
Not the wrong one.
No, not the wrong one. We don't have the wrong texture. Alright. So we got it to where
It's on my legs.
it's nice and slimy,
It's
right?
not sticky anymore.
Nope. So, you want to tell them what kind of candy we have in here?
Skittles.
We have, so we decided to mix Skittles and gummy bears
And nerds.
and Nerds. And what else? We got Starburst.
Yeah. It's a sticky candy.
So,
What's up?
alright, so go ahead and dump your candy. Whoa! It's okay. Here, look at this. Okay, so we have your candy.
There's no more.
There's some more? Okay. So you can add candy. You can add cereal. Whatever you want to add to your marshmallow slime, you can add it.
Play-Doh too.
We can add Play-Doh because we're going to eat this marshmallow slime.
Oh,
Right?
yeah.
Alright, King, so go ahead and mix your stuff up. Add more nerds. You want to put the nerds in there? Good job. Okay. Alright, go ahead and start mixing. And mixing. And mixing. Mix it.
What's up?
Here. Put it in here. Alright, so.
You're making a mess.
Well, it's supposed to be messy.
Are you dumping the nerds out?
I'm not dumping the nerds out. They're falling out. But it's okay, because guess what? We're going to eat this marshmallow slime with candy in it.
I'm going to eat the slime.
You with the slime?
Yeah.
Alright, I think I want to do is add a little more oil. Just a little bit.
No, too many. Let's get from it.
A little bit more oil. Okay. Please sit down. Thank you.
Wait, what?
Alright, there we go.
What happened?
Alright. So we're just mixing everything in.
That can't be.
Oh yeah, you weren't sitting down right.
I want to sit down with Dad because I'm the monkey.
Okay. Now the
Supposed to be not hot.
whoa.
Dump it off. You dumped it off.
Okay, ready? We're gonna stretch it. We're gonna stretch the slime out. Ready? You take one in. And you stretch it. Ready? Here.
I'm gonna eat it.
Wait, stretch it first. Let's see how far you can stretch. Ready? You pull. You pull and I pull. 1, 2, 3, go. Pull it.
Oh my God, it's floating it.
But look, guys, all the candy is in here. Hey, you know what? I think we should eat this. You want to see what it tastes like?
No, I'm not going to eat it. I'll get sick.
You're not going to get sick.
Let's play with it.
Okay, go ahead and play with it. So, what you will do is just take you a bowl of marshmallows, put it in the microwave. I put it in just for a couple of seconds, and then
Explode it everywhere.
exploded everywhere.
Not in our house.
No, not in the house. In the microwave. Yeah, so it exploded everywhere. So
okay.
depending on
It's okay.
It is okay, that's right. But it's depending on your microwave and kind of marshmallows. I just use regular big ones. Put it in there for a couple of seconds, keep an eye on it. Once it gets hot, let it cool off for a little bit, but not too much. And then you can start adding your flour, adding your oil. You can use olive oil, sunflower oil, whatever oil you have that you can use. You can use it. Mix it up together. You can add whatever kind of candy, cereal, whatever you want to add in there. So the fun thing with the kids,
it's candy monster.
and also it's also edible as well. So you can have fun with it and play with your food and eat it. So how did you like making your marshmallow slime?
It's cool.
It was cool.
I think my favorite one is the floating one.
Your favorite part was when the marshmallow exploded in the microwave?
That's my favorite one. What's your favorite one?
What's my favorite part?
Yeah.
I think my favorite part would be dumping all the candy in the marshmallow.
And it exploded.
And it exploding, yeah. That was so crazy. It was like a marshmallow monster just exploding out of the microwave, huh? Yeah. Alright, so corner friends, if you ever want to try marshmallow slime, this is definitely the way to do it. Alright, do you have anything else to say you want to say to your friends?
Bye-bye.
Bye, corner friends. See you next time.